I just made that $3.8 this week.
Hi guys, so this is everything you need to know about the Gemgala app. It's a gaming app, and either from the description box of this video or my first pinned comment, you are going to see a link on how to join and start this gaming app. And one beautiful thing about it is that the Gemgala app is a gaming app that will pay you in your local bank. That is, they can pay you and you get the money directly into your local bank. And I'm going to walk through the interface. I've withdrawn twice, and this is going to be the third time. So a lot of you have been asking me that, how does it work, how do I earn, how have I been withdrawing? I'm going to show you everything in this video right now. So the first thing I want to do is you are going to sign up. If you have not signed up, by the link in the description box of this video or the link in my first pinned comment, and you want to do a face verification. Is very necessary. You must do a face verification. You must bind your email and also log in with your email. This is very necessary because they are going to use that to verify your account. So there are two ways of earning on the Gemgala app. You can either earn by playing games or you earn by referring friends. I do the later, that is, I earn by referring friends. So this is how the gaming app look like. All this place here is how the gaming app look like. Yeah, so this particular place is this particular gaming site. After you've logged in with your email address and you've done your face verification, this place is the gaming app button here. It brings you to this moment where you can see other people that post and all that. You can have fun if you want. If you click here, it's going to show you follow people, link up with people and all that. Like I said, I'm only concerned with the earning. Then here is also the chat. You can chat within the app, like leave messages, just your normal chat, like your WhatsApp chat and all that, messaging chatting system within the app. That is none of my business right now. Now this is where the real thing happens. Apart from this gaming portion, this is where the real thing happens, right? So once you click on that icon, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now this interface is where you're going to see where you can edit your profile. So this is my profile right now. This is my profile. If you come down, you click on the invite button. Once you click on the invite button, you're able to see your invitation link and be able to invite your friends. And this is the second aspect, or the second way you can earn. The more friends you invite, the more you're going to earn. Now, if those friends do not do their face verification and bind their email, you're not going to earn. So they must do their face verification and bind their email. And look at this particular place here. It's showing you processing. This means that this particular persons who signed up using my link have not yet finished their verification. So yeah, it's showing processing. So your friend must have done everything necessary, and it must not be showing processing. It mustn't be showing processing. So this is where you get to copy your referral link, and then you press this particular icon up here to go back. So you copy your referral link, then you share it with your friends, and make your friends to do their face verification and to bind and also log in with their email so that you can also earn. Then the next thing you need to do is, still on that same tab, you need to come here and sign in. You click on the sign in. So daily, tell your friends to also sign in every day. You earn and they earn. So you sign in. Then this is your level. Once you register, you'll be in level 0. But once you top up your coins, this is coins. This is a coin. Once you top this coin up, you are going to be in level 1. So if you decide to earn by playing game, you must keep topping up. So the more you top up, the more your level is going to increase. But I don't advise you to do that. Yeah. So just leave it at level 0 and invite friends. Then the next thing is your profile. This particular profile, you need to come there and edit it. Like, this is where you're going to see your face verification and if your account is verified. So if I scroll down right now and click at my profile, it's going to load the tab. You're going to see that it will show you here that your profile photo, see, you put a profile photo, your ID is here, your nickname, your gender. Your gender cannot be changed after you've inputted the gender that you are, whether male or female. Then your age, this is, you can use anything. Then your region, please don't use VPN for this app. And then the language you speak, your personal signature, and then see this face verification. See, mine is showing verified. If your friend do not do their own and this particular option is not showing verified, you are not going to earn. So tell them to do theirs so that it will show verified. So that is that about the profile. Then this is the gems and this is the coin. Now this coin, you can use it for creating videos, chatting and calling within the app, or playing games within the app. Why this particular one, which is the gem, is when you can convert to real cash or real currency. You can also convert these gems to coins if you want to use to play games. So right now, I've gotten you need a minimum of 100,000 gems before you can withdraw. I have 102. So for this particular one, I'm just going to click on it, and then you're going to set up your Met wallet. It's a wallet within this particular gaming app. You need to set it up, put in your name, like your basic details, original basic details, and then it will be set up for withdrawal. So I've withdrawn the first time, the second time, this is the third time. Minimum you can withdraw is when your gems have gotten to 100,000 gems. 100,000 gems is going to be converted into $10 for you. Yes. So now I want to make another withdrawal. I just come here, I'll click on withdraw. Just like I told you, the link is going to be in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. Now this is the Met wallet I was talking about. You will have to register with your email address, the same email address you use in opening this particular gaming app. Register with that. So once you've clicked on withdraw, it's going to be withdrawn into your Met wallet, into this Met wallet that is set up. They're going to pay you in your Met wallet, and then you can then look at it a withdrawal. This is actually my third withdrawal. So look at it here. See the withdrawal here. See it here. So they're going to send it to my Met wallet, and then from my Met wallet, I am going to transfer it into my local bank or into a crypto bank, a crypto wallet rather, not a crypto bank, a crypto wallet. Now the best crypto wallet to use for this is the Spenda app. If you're on my Telegram channel, you see that I usually talk about the Spenda app, and you can download it. There's no middleman, there's no 15 naira charges. There's no 15 naira charges. You can take crypto currencies into the wallet, and you don't need to convert it to your local currency. No, you can pay directly from your crypto wallet that is not converted. You can pay directly into your local bank. You can also pay your vendors directly. That's how beautiful the Spenda app is. So I'm going to be using the Spenda app. So you can either end by referring friends, just like I told you, look, and when your friends sign in, when they sign in, their face verification and sign in, or you can withdraw by playing game. I prefer the withdrawing by referring friends. So this is after about 6 to 8 hours, and I got a system message like they just sent that $10 has been withdrawn to my Met wallet account. Look at it here. Yeah, the $10 you withdraw has been transferred to your Met wallet account. So I'm going to come here to click on view, or just go back to the dashboard and click on Met wallet accounts, and I'm going to transfer this to my Spenda app. So now the next thing I'm going to click on, this is the transaction, that my balance right now. So I'm now going to come here and click on cash out. And click on this cash out, and once I click on this cash out, you are going to either cash out with this ePay or bank card, but this is the surest route, and this is where you need your Spenda, the Spenda app. The link to download the Spenda app is also going to be in the description box or in the comment section, or anywhere you see this video. You download the Spenda app, you get your USDT TRS20, and then you're going to bind it, and they're going to automatically send the money or the details to your Spenda. And with Spenda, you don't need any middleman to withdraw your money. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to come here and click on bind. My device allows me to do like a multi-window or a multi-layer of different apps. So I just open my Spenda app, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on deposits, and then I'm going to copy my USDT TRS20, which is this particular one here. Click on USDT. Then the blockchain I'm going to pick is this TRC20, because that was they requested for, TRC20, and I am going to come here and I'm copy this wallet address. I'll just click on copy, and that's that. I'll come back to Met wallet, and I'm going to come here and I'll enter the address, wallet address. So it says here that please fill in your correct TRC address. A wrong address will cause payment loss, which we do not take any responsibility for. So make sure you're copying the right thing. And this Spenda app is very easy to set up. Then the minimum withdrawal is $10. Then they're going to take $2 for on top of this $10. So I'm just going to come here now and click on done. And once you've clicked on done, you've automatically linked it. You don't need to come back to it again, because you are going to be seeing it here. You've binded it with your Met wallet account. So next time, all you need to do is just to click on cash out, and automatically be sent to that particular wallet address. So, and select cash out. To ask me how much do I want to cash out. So remember I said the minimum of $10. So I'm going to click here all, or you can simply input how much you want to cash out. Then see, I take a fee of $1.55. That's just, let's just submit up to $2. So I'll come here, I'll click on submit. Once I satisfy that is correct, then it asks you to set up a 6-digit payment password. After you have created in your password for withdrawals, you will need to re-input that to cash out what you have withdrawn. And then you see they said completed, estimated arrival time within 7 working days, but I can show you that it doesn't take 7 working days. Just like I said, it didn't take up to 3 hours before the fund that I I withdrew from Gemgala was deposited into my account. Yeah, now just see it here. You just see it here. The fund is here. It was sent that same day yesterday when I withdrew. So yes, that's the fund, and it's 0.44.999. And this is my spender app, and I can transfer from my spender app to even my Suyaman without converting what I already have into into my local currency. That is how very easy the spender app is. You're not paying a 15 naira charge. So I just showed you two alphas, two legit apps. One is a gemgala app, the one where you just need to refer friends. The gaming app where you need to refer friends, and for each friend you invite to do that face verification and bind their email, you're going to get $1 each. And then I also showed you the spender app, the one where they're not going to charge you 15 naira for your transactions, where you don't need to start looking for anybody to convert your cryptocurrencies into your local currency, where you can directly pay from your crypto wallet into pay vendor, anybody ASAP, without converting it to your local currency. So this is one of the best. These are the best apps right now. The links to this app are in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do yourself a very big favor to subscribe, and also join the Telegram community as well. The updates usually drops first, and the link also is in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. See you in another update. Bye for now.